Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Outlander Sport. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, lane departure warning, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.